Hey guys, today we're going to go over the PowerBlocks. The first thing you want to make sure is that the PowerBlock is always in the stand with the numbers, the colorful numbers down here facing you and the closed, open, close at the top. Okay, so my first row of numbers is when there is absolutely nothing in the PowerBlock. Okay, so let's say we want to make a 20-pound PowerBlock. Okay, I'm going to take my prongs from the side and I'm going to encompass them to match the color on the top, so the purple. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I hear it and feel it snap into place. Some commonly made mistakes are that you might let it go here and try to pick it up. That's going to allow all the weights to fall out. Or I might take two of my prongs because I'm not looking carefully enough and I'm going to push them on a different color, right? That is also not a safe way to pick up a PowerBlock. You want to make sure the right color is encompassed and you hear the snap. Okay, so now if I go to my second row of numbers, take my prongs out, I'm going to lift up my PowerBlock and I'm going to put in one of my metal plates. I'm then going to close the hole, so see that little prong sticking out? Now my metal weight can't fall out. I'm going to place it back in the PowerBlock. I want to make it 22.5, which is the second row of the purple numbers. I'm going to take my prongs again and do exactly the same thing I did the first time. Either side of the purple, making sure I hear that magnet and making sure it's on the right side. Now I've created a 22.5-pound dumbbell. My last option is to pick up my PowerBlock, open my little prongs again, put in my last silver 2.5-pound plate, close it. Once again, I see both little silver weights being locked into place, put it back, and now I've created a 25-pound dumbbell. I'll take my prongs again, either side of my purple, making sure I hear that snap in, and I've created a 25-pound dumbbell safely. When I'm done using the PowerBlocks, I'm going to make sure I take my prongs out of the weight I had selected, open my tab, dump them out into my hands, place them back in their little homes, and leave the PowerBlock empty and accessible for the next coach.